The Welfare Reform Bill became law in March 2012. It means benefits are changing. Starting from October 2013, your rent will no longer be paid direct to your landlord. Instead, your benefits will be paid direct to you. And you will have to budget your rent, bills and spending every month. More than 15% of local authority tenants and 13% of housing association tenants don't have a bank account. If you haven't got a bank account, it's a good idea to get one. You can set up a direct debit to your landlord, making rent and other payments easier. A cap will be put on benefits for non-working households. The most these households can claim is £500 per week, or £26,000 per year. You will be affected by the cap if you're claiming the following benefits: job seekers allowance and income support, and employment support allowance, as well as the following. If you're living in social housing that is bigger than you need, from April 2013 your housing benefit entitlement will be restricted. This is called the bedroom tax. It is estimated that 43% of North West social housing tenants will be affected. If you have one spare room, you could lose £11 per week, or £20 per week if you have two or more. If you're thinking of starting a family and want to stay in a larger home, you will have to pay bedroom tax in the short term. If you live with people who are over 18 and not in education, who are working or claiming benefit, deductions will be taken from your housing benefit. Deductions will depend on people's level of earning. As of 2013, working age disability living allowance claims will be based on medical assessment. The new system will be focused on what people can do. It is expected that 20% will lose their award.